Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about a basic query on joining two tables. So the requirement is quite simple. So you have a person info table and you have an address info table. So we need to generate a report that includes the given name, family name, city and state of each person. So basically you have city name and state name in address table and you have the person info in the person info table. So person info basically you have individual ID, family name and what is his given name, etc. So basically you need to join these two tables and get the city name and state name. But here there is one catch. Say if there is no corresponding address information. So if you don't have any address information in this table, so you need to report the null values. You got it right. So basically you need to report city name as null and state name as null. Okay, let's move to the SQL query terminal. So I have the person info table. I am just creating it. Just execute this one. Yes. So you have individual ID, family name, and given name. Okay. I am actually inserting the values like Wang, and family name is Wang, and then name is Ellen. Basically, the first name we call it as first name and last name. So I'm just saying it as family name and given name. Then we have Alice and Bob. Okay, I'm inserting these values. Okay. Now I have address info table. I'm creating the same, and then I'm inserting the values. Basically, it's like a city name is New York City and the state name is New York, and same way like city name is like lead code and state name is California. Okay, I'm just running this. Okay, fine. So now, as per the requirement, so what you will be doing? So the first thing you will be doing is you will join person info, select star from person info, inner join address info. So give it a alias a and b. Join on a dot individual ID because that is a common key is equal to b dot individual ID. This is our first approach. So we'll be thinking like, okay, we can join these two tables and we can run it. So let's say, so I will select individual ID. I think no need of individual ID. I'll just select the family name, a dot given name. So basically first name and last name. And then from the address table, I will select city name. So basically b dot city name and b dot state name. So let's run this one and see what is the output. Yeah, got it. So do you think like we achieved the result? Yeah, basically no, because see, if you see here, if there is no corresponding address information in the address info, we need to report null values. So now here comes the catch. So instead of inner join, we use a left outer join. So you know the definition of left outer join, right? So basically it presents all the records present in the left table, irrespective of whether there is a match or not. So I'm using a left outer join. Now let's run this. Yes, we got the result. So finally we got the result. Like say you want to decorate it further, you can use coalesce. So the coalesce is nothing but if you use coalesce, like if there is a null value, it will be replaced with whatever you give here. Here I am giving not available. Okay. Same way I am doing the same for state name also. So this is just for readability purpose. If someone is reading our report, they should be able to understand, right? If you run this, I think somewhere there is something wrong. Yeah, I think here there is a code. We can remove this. Yeah, and we can run this query. Got it. So here you can see for Wang Ellen there is no city name and state name. It's not recorded yet. Can you give me one real-time use case why this might have happened? So let me tell you. So sometimes like an employee joins a company. He is a new employee and the company instructs the employee to update his details like maybe before 1 month or something like that. So during that time, you might not be having his details. That's why you are getting not available in the address info table. Basically, you don't have his details in the address info table. But once he updates, right, then you will get the values here. And say this query is like a source to one of the dashboard, like which HR tracks or something like that. Hope the query is clear to you. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep uploading the queries ranging from easy to medium, hard, and very hard, so that you will learn the concepts and you will also understand the real time usage. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe. Have a good day.